You've probably clicked this video hoping to achieve that Korean glass skin glow, right? But wait, is that really possible? I'm gonna be honest with you, girl. No, not exactly. Koreans have naturally porcelain skin because of their genetics, and we can't copy that. But here's what we can do. We can achieve our version of glass skin, which means clear, healthy, glowing skin. Sounds more realistic, right? And way more beautiful because it's yours. So don't click off, because I'm going to share the mistakes that might be holding your skin back, and how to actually fix them. Let's go step by step. 1. Build a skincare routine. Cleanser, serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. I know some of you are thinking, why a serum though? 3 products are enough. Look, you can skip it. But if you really want faster results and target those stubborn concerns like dark spots, acne, or dullness, a serum is your shortcut. Cleanser. Wash your face twice a day. Choose a gentle cleanser based on your skin type, because it maintains your pH balance and doesn't strip off your natural oils. Serum. If you have pigmentation, dullness, dark spots, or want glowing skin, use vitamin C in the morning plus sunscreen, and start with low percentage like 5%. For oily, acne-prone use, salicylic acid at night plus moisturizer. This helps you with acne, reduces sebum production. Start with low percentage serums and never mix vitamin C with salicylic acid. Moisturizer your skin day and night whether you have oily skin or not. If you have dry skin, look for this, and this. If you have oily skin, stick to these ingredients. Apply sunscreen as if it's in your daily routine, no arguments here. Choose a sunscreen which has SPF 50, broad spectrum. Use 2-finger rule while applying and reapply every 2 to 3 hours for extra protection. 2. Healthy diet. You might be doing everything right with skincare, but your skin still looks meh. That was me too, until I fixed my diet. Just 30 days of eating leafy greens, healthy fats, and vitamin C-rich foods. And my skin changed drastically. It looked alive, brighter, and fresh. And try to reduce sugar and junk food. I'm not saying to completely leave, just reduce it. If you're struggling with healthy eating and consistency, comment below. I'll make a video just for that. 3. Powerful tips that actually work and nobody talks about. Double cleanse every night. Start with oil cleanser, follow up with gentle cleanser. It helps to deeply clean up your pores and smooth your skin. Use a chemical exfoliate, once a week for dry skin, twice for oily skin. It removes dead skin cells and removes tan. Hydrate your under eyes. There is no need for expensive eye creams, they just works like moisturizer. Apply an extra layer of moisture on under eye area for extra hydration. Have rest days for skin just 2 times a week. Don't use actives or exfoliate. Let your skin breathe and heal your skin barrier. 4. Mistakes that are ruining your glow, and you don't even notice them. Not washing pillow covers weekly, not cleaning mobile screens, and it contains a lot of gunk and bacteria which can lead to breakouts. And we don't want that. I know you have ignored your lips, so exfoliate gently 3 to 4 times a week with a toothbrush. Use SPF lip balm every day because UVA and UVB rays can also damage your lips. Skipping skincare after getting clear skin, don't stop. Try to maintain it by doing skincare consistently. Stress? Girl, it's your skin's worst enemy. It increases cortisol, more oil, breakouts, dark circles, aging, etc. That's why I've made a separate video just for mental peace and de-stressing. Check that out after this.